Simplechurch CRM tutorial for beginners. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be walking you through how to use one of the best CRM for church, as I'll be showing you how to use Simplechurch CRM, a powerful church management software that helps churches manage members, track attendance, and handle donations and organize events. To get started is actually completely free. You're going to tap on free 30-day trial once you're on simplechurchcrm.com, and from there you'll be able to sign up using your email address. Now once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to a page just like this. So this will be your dashboard, as you can see right here. The next thing I want you to do once you're on your dashboard, you're going to tap on the settings cog in the top right hand corner, and you're going to select settings. After selecting settings, from here you'll be able to upload your church logo, so you'll be able to customize the appearance. You can also scroll down and you could select the currency format. You can select the given week start date, and you can also add in your address, as you can see right there. So if you have more than one campus, you can add in the information right there. Now after doing that, there are a few things that you can also customize. So for example, you could tap on check-in, and from there you can tap on check-in station, and you could enable different check-in stations, or you could simply toggle it off. And by enabling different check-in stations and mobile app check-in settings, this will allow your church members to automatically check in whenever they have attended an event, for example, whether physically in church or online, as you can see right there. And if we were to tap on giving also, these are some different options that you can set up. So you can create, or better yet, edit your giving letter template, and you can edit the different options, as you can see right here. You can also incorporate QuickBooks, and you can also edit your pledging email that you would like to send out. And talking about that, if you were to tap on integrations, from here you can see different forms of communication that you will be able to use with this platform. You have email, you have phone call, and you have visit. So you have different options. And to get access to these options, all you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option, as you can see right here. So if I were to tap on outstanding, after tapping on outstanding, if it is a case that you would like to assign an email, you could assign an email to someone. If you would like to assign a home visit, you can do that. You can also assign a phone call. So with this, you'll be able to stay connected with your church members, so no one will fall through the crack or feel unappreciated or so on. So for instance, if we were to tap on assign a home visit, you can select right there action visit. Then you can choose the member that you would like to assign it to. After you have selected the member, from here you will normally be able to select the individual that you would like to assign them to. Then from there you can add in the instructions. After you have added in the instructions, you can tap on save, and that person will automatically get that notification that they have been assigned to a home visit. And to add members, all you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option, and you're going to tap right where you see individuals. After tapping on individuals, you can either choose to import via CSV file by tapping on import, or you could tap on add in the top right hand corner. And from here you'll be able to fill in their information. You could upload a picture, their first and last name, select their gender, and then from there you can add in their contact info and all of the basic information. And you'll be able to do this for visitors also, as you can see right there. If we were to select visitor, you can add different visitors right there, and you can tap on add to add the visitors information. Now more than likely you're going to be having groups in your church. So to form different groups, you can tap on groups from the left hand menu option. Then you could tap on add. From here you can add in the group name, and you can choose the leader. So you can tap right there and you could select the leader. After you have selected the leader, you could describe the group, and you can also add in basic information right here about the group. So this is where you'll be able to add the different groups. If we were to go over to the left hand menu option once more and tap on giving, this is where you'll be able to input their different giving methods. So for example, you can add in the offering right here. So you could add in, for example, their different pledges. or you can add in general offering or contributions right here, and you can select the contribution date, and this is where you'll be able to give it a grand total. So you can add in that information right there, or if you like to import it, you can do that. And as I was saying earlier about attendance and signing in, if we were to tap on attendance from the left hand menu option, this is where you'll be able to view your attendance reports. So you'll be able to see the amount of persons that were present and the amount of members that were absent, better yet. And persons will be able to check in on the mobile app by tapping on check in. And talking about reports, if you were to tap on reports from the left hand menu option, you will be able to view all of the different reports, whether that is a general overview or the giving report or attendance report or individuals report. You can select whichever one of the reports right there. You can also set up different schedules, and you'll be able to create a schedule. By tapping on schedules from the left hand menu option, you could tap on create schedule. After you have tapped on create schedule, from here you can give your schedule a name, and you can choose whether it will be repeated weekly, and you can choose when it will start. So let's say for example from Saturday. Then you will tap on next. From there, when do you need volunteers, and you can add in the time name. So whether from 9 to 10 a.m. you can put it in right there, and then you will tap on next. Tell us about the volunteers you need, and you can see teams of volunteers or just volunteers. You can select whichever one of these options, and you can put in the position name of the person that you need, and whether you require a background check or not, and the amount of volunteers that you need right there, and the source. So this is where you'll be able to select the group that you'll need it from, whether it be from the youth group or from the church choir or so on. You can put in the group right there, and then you'll be able to create a schedule, better yet. So that's how you'll be able to do that. And if we were to go over to the left hand menu option, you can select workflows, and from here you'll be able to tap on, for example, record online attendance, and you can select a form right there. So workflow is basically different automations that you can set up. So these are things that you can choose to, for example, chain effects. So for example, record online attendance. After recording your online attendance, you can tap on add trigger, and you can select what you would like to happen next. So you can select whether you would like to give in amount, give in new regular giver, or you can select pledge creation. This is where you'll be able to set up different automations, as you can see right there. And that's basically it when it comes on to Simplechurch CRM. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and thank you very much for watching.